Khona abantu abaphuzayo utshwala uma sebephuzile bese siyabatshela ukuthi umuntu angadakelwa kumina. Right now uma Khumalo udakelwa kumina.
Uphuzile?
Anginandaba babakhe ukuthi uphuzile noma akaphuzanga. I'm just saying right now uma Khumalo udakelwa kumina.
Uyaphuza?
Lento engishoyo ukuthi njengamanje uma Khumalo udakelwa kimi.
Kusho ukuthi udakiwe.
Angiyenenge lapho ke.
Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. Listen, you guys, it's a Friday and I have one question for you. Uyaphuza? Uphuzile? Udakiwe? Anyways, you guys, listen. I was so busy this week, I missed this one. Apparently, Makwela posted herself at a club. Yes, as like in season 10. Uyabona lento kaMakwela yokuhamba eSantuza ephuza utshwala edakwa edansa nedakwa. In her defense, you guys, Makwela, I did not see her drinking, but she was opening the bottle. Honestly, you guys, it will be unreasonable, and I mean to expect to go to Makwela and get Puma with her friends and have some fun and have some wine and have cocktails and all of that. I don't think it will be realistic to think go to Makwela does not touch utshwala. We did not see her drinking, but we already know what's coming with Umseligo in season 10. Listen, you guys, one of the first things Umseliga expressed in season 1 was that he does not like Utshwala, even though Omangwabe confirmed it when she had to ask for permission to go. Aye baby shower yomngani wakhe, and Umseliga was like, the reason he does not like these places so bomnandi is that abantu they will do funny things there and then take pictures and post on social media. That is why he does not like indaba zokuthi amakhosikazi akhe aphume and be associated with anything that has to do with alcohol. It's strange because Ngwabe later on got into business like entertainment. Even though she wasn't allowed to go and entertain herself. Now, you guys, into this past season, they were making fun of Khumalo drinking. Now it's Makwela drinking. Hey, mzinga flow. How mzinga flow, God. Zonakali zinto emzini flow. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Like the video before I'm gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Khona abantu abaphuzayo utshwala uma sebephuzile bese siyabatshela ukuthi umuntu angadakelwa kumina. Right now uma Khumalo udakelwa kumina.
Uphuzile?
Anginandaba babakhe ukuthi uphuzile noma akaphuzanga. I'm just saying right now uma Khumalo udakelwa kimi.
Uyaphuza?
Lento engishoyo ukuthi njengamanje uma Khumalo udakelwa kimi.
Kusho ukuthi udakiwe.
Angiyenenge lapho ke. Ngisikodwa udakelwa